Assalamu alaikum. This is Yamin, and today I'll show you how to hide YouTube subscriber from your YouTube channel. And I'll try to make this video as short as possible. So let's get started. For that, you have to first go on Google Store and then type www.youtube.com and then turn on the desktop side mode and then simply just press here and go to setting and then click on view additional features. After that, click on advanced and then just scroll down and put a tick on do not display the number of people subscribe to my channel, and then simply just save it. And this is done.